Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Grammarly app you click on settings. In this first page of settings you will click. Then here in this window you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Grammarly and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache.